Hello, it's Keith from Kinvert, and we're going to go over a quick example of order of operations. We've got 1 plus 5 times 5. Now there's two different ways that a normal student might do this. One might say 1 plus 5, well that's 6. 6 times 5, well that's 30. Well, that'd be the wrong answer. Okay, the correct answer is going to be 5 times 5 is 25 plus 1, that's 26. And that's because of order of operations. So the thing you want to remember with order of operations is PEMDAS, all right? And that stands for parentheses, exponents, multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. Now we're going over some of the kind of earlier examples where you're not dealing with parentheses and exponents. Okay, we're going with more early versions of this. But basically you do these first, parentheses first, exponents second, multiplication third, and so on, where addition and subtraction are the last things you do. Okay, so you can see multiplication's higher on the list. We're going to do that first. Let's first do this the wrong way, the way that I think a lot of students would do it. They would take this 1 plus 5 and turn it into a 6, probably just do that in their heads, and then multiply this by the 5, and they're going to get an answer of 30. All right, but this is incorrect, and this is going to be a common answer I'm going to get if I ask this question, but it's the wrong answer. We're going to switch now to green, and let's do this the right way. All right, we know that, okay, we're going to go through the list. Do we see any parentheses here? Nope. All right, do we see any exponents? Nope. Multiplication? Yes, there's multiplication. We're going to do that first. 5 times 5. Wow, that's really bright green, is 25. I'm going to tone that down a bit. So 5 times 5 is 25. Now we've got the 1 plus, that didn't tone it down much, 1 plus 25, and that's going to get 26. So in the end, the 1 plus 5 times 5, your correct answer is going to be 26 here. All right, so it's important to remember your order of operations. Later on, we'll be going over kind of more complicated versions where we have parentheses. Basically, this is actually the same as this, if we want to go for extra credit. And then another thing that this is the same as is this 5 times 5 is actually the same as 5 squared. So ultimately, 1 plus 5 times 5 is the same as 1 plus 5 squared, and it's also the same as 1 plus parenthesis 5 times 5, since we're already doing those in that order anyway. That's just extra stuff. The important thing to remember is PEMDAS, first parentheses, then exponents, then multiplication, division, then addition and subtraction. So we need to first multiply the 5 times 5 to get our 25. And then we add the 1 to that result where we get our 26. So ultimately, this is the sort of thing that we're looking for right here. This is the point of the video. Remember your PEMDAS, remember your order of operations. I hope this was helpful, and we will see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.